Here are 23 things you might have missed about the Model Y Performance that's different from the Premium. Number 1, you got the front decor over here, and down the center, which the Premium does not. Number 2, the whole front end is actually a little bit different from the Premium and the Standard. 3, it has 21-inch wheels. This is called Arachnid 2.0 with a lot of this inserts right here. Number 4, regardless of the color, you are going to have gloss black mirrors. Number 5, you get a carbon fiber spoiler that's pretty massive. Number 6, you get a different rear bumper than the Standard or the Premium that looks like this and cuts right here down the middle. Number 7, you get a completely different rear diffuser with gloss black accents. Number 8, you get the fancy performance badge. 9, you get bigger brakes. 10, you get adaptive suspension. Number 11, you get fancy puddle lights. Number 12, you get matte carbon fiber accents for the side and also the dashboard. Number 13, you get white interior right here on the door panel compared to Alcantara on the Premium. Number 14, you get thigh extenders. Number 15, you get performance pedals. 16, you get performance seats. Number 17, the ground clearance is 6 inches. 18, you get 16-inch screens with a lot more pixel density. Number 19, even the passengers get lumbar support. Number 20, you get no pockets in the back seat. 21, you get insane mode on the dynamics section. Number 22, you get a new fancy Tesla intro logo. And number 23, you can go 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds.